got this SmallRig. It says, again, free your dream. Number 4937. SmallRig travel video tripod kit. I got this because it's got the little handle. I saw some other tripods, and I hope this works. I saw that they had the little ball thingy. They look like they're pretty smooth, but then I was thinking, well, for, you know, I don't know, taking pictures and all that, moving it around. And then this has got this, you know, I figured I can maybe do that, but I don't know, I kind of like that little handle. So I got this, but then I was thinking, oh, I wonder if this has got that little, they call it Arca Swiss, that you, I don't know if you saw the other video when I was putting it together. It was taking me a long time, it was kind of rough, and I figured out this end has a little stopper there, because you can't put it in on this side, and I was like, couldn't get it, so it comes in on this side. And I was like, for being a quick release, doesn't seem to be very quick, but it's quick on this side, and you just lock it in place. So I'm hoping this works with this down here, so that you can just mount it with battery and all that, like that. Otherwise, I'm gonna have to take the battery off, do this, then just do this without the battery pack. So we'll get to that, figure that out later, or have to put an adapter from there to there. Might have one. And the reason I started taking video of these is I ordered a tripod a while back on eBay, and it said new. When I got it, it was not the one in the picture. In fact, I'm using it right now. I had bought a tripod at, if you guys remember, it was called Circuit City. It was a Targus. It was pretty nice. I bought it at Circuit City like 50 years ago. Well, a long time ago. Or maybe it was Fry's. I don't know. Fry's or Circuit City. Oh man, the FedEx just pulled up. Another package. Oh, anyways, people always review the boxes. So it's a white box. It says SmallRig. Again, free your dream. Number 4937. Inside is this nice little bag. Then, so yeah, so I get this tripod, and it was totally not the one in the picture. So I took some pictures, sent it to the guy, and I said, hey, it's not the one that was in the picture. And I said, I need a refund with shipping, send it back to you. And he just said, keep it, give it away. Then I ordered another one, also said new. Again, the Targus. And this time I said I'm gonna take video, and as I was taking it out of the box, one of the legs just flung, and it was broken. And again, it said new, but then I realized that the tape looked like it had been retaped, and so I sent her the video, and again, she just sent the refund. Just said keep it, throw it away. So, and then I just bought one from Zume, and worked okay. But because of this, I was looking at the adapters. The adapters by themselves were like 50, 60 bucks. So I figured I'd just buy a whole new tripod. So anyways, bag. Oh, it's a nice little bag. It's got a little cushion. Oh, it's got stuff. Oh, a little camera adapter. Oh, it's got the little spiky thing for the legs and some Allen wrenches. We are here with you. A little QR code for help. 911. It's kind of cool. Nothing else. All right. Nice bag. Another bag. Oh. So for specs and all that, you can check out other sites, but I'm just kind of doing this for fun. Just see if it works. It either works or it doesn't work. I think it's gonna work. Oh, came upside down. No, yeah, it's the right side up. It was like this. All right. Well, I guess that's the way you store it. Like this. The way it came. Oh yeah. That's the way you store it. And this is how you use it. Alright, kind of cool. I'll make it small so you can see it. You can go down low. Alright. How low can you go? And it looks like it's gonna work. Maybe. No? Oh no. No. Maybe. Yes. See if this can come off. All right, yeah. Success. It works. These grooves there, for these grooves here, makes it groovy. It's a Sony E mount, Groove E. Get it? Groovy. All right, it works. So that works there. That means this technically should work here. Oh no? Ah, those did. Oh, I thought it was gonna work. I thought they were the same. This is called Arca Swiss. It's got the same kind of grooves. Maybe if the little screws come off. Oh man. Oh man, dude. Okay. So I'm wondering if these little screws come off. It'll just slide in there. Because, yeah, it fits perfect. Okay. They came with all kinds of Allen wrenches. Came with all kinds of little Allen wrenches. Maybe this one. That's it. That's it. All right. So I bottom had these little tiny little screws. Took them off. Now that fits right there. So I'll be able to, when I have the battery, all the wiring, all that stuff. I got the, finally got the little, well, maybe not so little, but it's, you can see this, but I don't know if you can see this. Let me go on that side. Coming along. Sweet. Wow, look at that. Yeah. Then wrong way. So there's this little, I guess I had it the wrong way. Whoops. Yeah, there's this thing here. Have to figure that out, but you'll be able to. Figure it out, but it looks okay. Yeah, you'll be able to do this. All right, that's it. Coming along. Then, yeah, so if you guys check out the SmallRig site, you know, these, look at the specs, all that stuff. You can change these little feet here, and you got the little spikes, well, wherever they ended up. Got the little spiky things. You can, one of these is supposed to work as a monopod, or even a selfie stick, walking stick. But yeah, it's gonna be kind of cool. All right, let me look at it from this end. Yeah, that looks pretty cool. Heck yeah. All right. So that's the, pretty much that's the SmallRig. SmallRig tripod. And yeah, so I'll be using it mostly for the video stuff. Well, I'll figure out the rest of it, but it's, you can check out the specs on the other sites and SmallRig site, and, but I just want to make sure it worked for this, so I can do, so I can do this, or I can just do that. Comes out the yeah. That's it. That's what I was worried about. I don't know what this is for. All right, well, it works. Sounds good. That's it. All right.